Hi everyone, Chris at Torque King here with today's product highlight, our wheel seal installer, which is the QT1505, specifically made to quickly and safely install our QU40119 wheel seals in the back of your heavy-duty front hubs on Dana 60 and some Dana 50 models. Applications include 77 to 91 General Motors, 75 to 93 Dodge, 78 to 79 Ford, and 85 to 97 Ford Dana 60, and also 80 to 97 Ford Dana 50 hubs. Place your seal on the tool's pilot, attach a QT1100 driver handle or some other handler that we offer here, and drive the seal into place in your hub. The installer will stop when the seal is square to the bore and seated to the correct depth. A relief groove in the installer allows adequate clearance for the outer lip seal to prevent any tearing of the lip seal, preventing one of the most common causes of premature seal failure. Our precision CNC aluminum installers are made right here in Montana, and they're the right tools to get the job done right the first time. Buy the QT1505 and many other tools made just for your rig at torqueking.com, or give us a call and we'll be happy to get you exactly what you need. Our link is in the description below, and while you're looking there, give us a like and a comment. It really does help us reach more people just like you. Then subscribe to see more of our product highlights. We've been around for over 30 years and plan to be around at least that much longer. Thanks for watching, and good luck keeping your rig on the road.